Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in and I hope you guys are having a great day. Today's Friday the 17th and I'm about to show you something here. I've already opened it. I've already ripped apart my address, etc. But what I'm going to show you is something that's interesting, but also kind of a gripe at the same time. And I don't usually gripe and I don't like to moan and make a fuss, but I think I'm about to. Because I'm not the only one. And you can already see here who I'm having an issue with. Okay? So, all my details have been taken off. So I don't really need to worry about that along with those. So inside this box, I have another box. Okay, fabulous. I'm probably messing this up here. Why don't I just keep spinning this and make a video on how to spin a box or how not to. No, here we go. So I received another package, which was this large monster thing here, and inside I saw this and I thought, what the heck did I order? Because I do tend to order an awful lot and I don't always know what to expect, and I suppose I need to keep better track of my records and so on and so forth. But this one got under my bonnet, be under my bonnet, so to speak, or on my nerves, however you want to play it. Overall, I did accept this package. I have paid for it. It's far more than I wanted to, but yeah, we'll go into that a little bit more. But let's just get into the box. So I got a box, and I go, oh, hey, here we go. So I'm pleased to enclose your first delivery in the Royal Canadian Mint 20 silver coin collection. Well, it's not my first because I have already bought one. So I hope it takes pride of place in your collection. You've secured one of the most sought after coins issued in recent years. And this is for my friends in America and friends in, in Canada. This is basically the 20 for 20, but boy, oh boy, am I getting absolutely ripped off here. So I decided, forget this, once I got it. So I got a return. This is the return address. Honestly, it is a flimsy piece of paper printed off on a computer. And I could have returned this, and I thought, no, let's not. So I got my COA, and it's a really nice, I have yet to open it, but yeah, it looks like it's a real nice iceberg type of design, if you like, with what's in there. It looks like it's a humpback whale. So, and it came in this, whilst I'm doing this, it came in this presentation case where there's, 12 spots available. So I have that should I want to, but I'll just give it off to one of my boys and let them put their, 1 ounce pieces in that, they treasure the most. But what really gets on my nerves about this is that I did not buy this. I bought the first one in the series, which I have shown in a previous video. I was quite happy about it. Because I know that, it was one that was quite rare and so on and so forth. But the Westminster took it upon themselves to send me more out. So, as I said, I decided, and I could have sent this back, as I said, using their free post address. Over here. Could have sent it back. But that's not the point. I didn't ask for it. I didn't sign up for it. And I'm quite internet savvy. There's nothing there to tell me this was a collection. Apparently there is. If you look in the bottom left-hand corner of your basket when you buy something, there is something there. So here we go. You get to get the first look here with me, guys. And it's only a 7.96 grams. So it's a quarter of a troy ounce. And again, it's a 20, Canadian, I believe Canadian dollar coin. So, okay, fine, fair enough. But for the price, and I'm happy to actually let you know, for the price, that's a ripoff, and that's in pounds. So that's over $60 American, and that's a guess, by the way. I've not Googled that yet, but I'll guess it's about 62, 63 US dollars. And I just thought, no, this is just plain and silly and just ridiculous. If you don't ask for something, they shouldn't be sending it to you. End of the story, really. I really do not want to rip this off, but it looks like I'm going to. But no, I'll just show you the coin, I suppose. So see here if I can get it into focus with the light that I have. I have to block out some light here. Let's try this here. No. Okay, hold on a minute here. Let's just try. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna really need to get this out. So you could just about make it out. I mean, it's pathetically small. In fact, it's actually not that nice of a design either, in my opinion. Forget it. Let's just rip this back off. Iceberg. Dun dun dun. But it's in one of these silly encapsulated plastic bits, and there's a capsule inside that as well. And no, it just really isn't. Right. Well. Anyway, I got a coin there. It's just for the record. These apparently are supposed to fit inside of here. Can you kind of see the issue of the sizing? These are meant for full proper 1 ounce rounds of silver, not pathetic quarter ounces. And definitely not at that price. I mean, I'm paying full on, over the price for spot by, a significant amount, let's put it that way. And I got this silly coin, but at least you get to see that. That's the view it's supposed to be. What will I do? It'll just go into the collectible file. I have seen, these floating around on the web for various prices, but at the end of the day, I've taken it. I've contacted the company and I said, look, don't send me any more. I don't want them. If I do want another collection, I'll buy them. And it's not the first time I've had a collection like this. So I just thought, well, we'll move on from here. But I think I'll be monitoring my strategy with Westminster, because they do rip you off for the prices, in my honest view. I haven't found anything that they have sold or that they sell that you can't buy elsewhere for a fraction of the price. And just to top it off very quickly, as I said, this is a rant, so I do apologize. What really annoys me kind of the most with all of this is that just after receiving it and receiving the phone call, after phoning them up, I received a phone call, and the sales agent wanted to speak to me for about, honestly, we were on the phone for about 35-40 minutes. And he's trying to say, well, do I want Star Wars? Do I want, whatever? And I said, look, I'm not going to pay the prices that you're asking. I'm sorry. I'm in it as a silver collector. I do like, numismatic coins. I do like that, but I'll buy them when I'm ready. I'll buy them when I want to buy them. It was kind of a high pressure tactic. I think they're kind of falling under some kind of hardship or something, but they're contacting people left, right, and center and trying to make sales. And, you know, I've been a long-term customer of theirs, but I think this has finally put the nail in the coffin for me. I think the Westminster and I divorced. So, anyway, sorry for the rant, guys, but, you know, I hope, you know, some of you guys who are ordering in the UK or abroad and so on and so forth, if you do use this company, just be careful when you do buy something, because, you know, they may just keep sending you stuff and then you have to send it back, and, you know, there's no guarantee. I mean, yeah, I'm going to attach a label on there that says free post. Now, they could argue, well, we've never received it. Well, sadly, you know, I'll be in a position where I've already signed for a package and, you know, I have received it. So unless I decided to actually pay to send it back and to get proof of postage, you know, I could lose out. So, as I said, I decided just to be careful and cautious. If you haven't already seen, there's only 225,000. I say only. It's quite a large number for this. But hopefully I'll get all 20 coins in the series. I'm not going to do it through Westminster. I'll just look privately. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. And I hope you guys have a great weekend. All right. Bye for now.